So today I have another DIY for you guys. So I'm just starting off with a plain shirt that I got for $3 from the thrift store. And basically what you're going to do is you are going to start from the collar and you're going to cut down into a V shape. As you can see, I have a bleed stain on here. That's why I decided to cut this shirt, but you're just going to start from the center of the collar and cut down all the way to the bottom, basically removing a center chunk of the front piece of the shirt. So then after you get done with that, it should just look like this. Basically just a big open shirt with this gap in the middle. That's literally what the shirt should look like. You're not cutting off the back of the collar or anything. And try to make sure that your edges are straight. I kept mine, my pocket, because I had a pocket on the t-shirt, but if you don't, then obviously it wouldn't matter. It'd probably work better if you didn't have a pocket. My lines were a little bit jaggedy, but whenever you tie the shirt, you won't really see it anyways. So then obviously I'm wearing a bra for the purpose of this video, but if I was just wearing this shirt, the odds are I probably wouldn't wear a bra. Basically what you're going to do, and this is just a hack too if you want to hide your bras, because sometimes I do wear bras with this shirt. So whenever you go in to tie it, you're going to take the strap and you're going to go through the top and throughout the bottom of the bra. You're going to pull the strap through the bottom of the bra. And then what you're going to do is then you are going to tie the two straps together. And I tuck the tag inside of the shirt. I'm going to cut the tag off later. But yeah, and that hides the bra perfectly. So you can do this with like any top like that. And basically that's the end. That's what the shirt looks like. It's really fun, really simple, and you can also wear it off the shoulder if you want to, but I didn't want to. And yeah, this quarantine stuff is making me feel really creative. So yeah, that's the end. I hope you like it. Bye.